Hello there, today I show you my editable powder explosion photo effect bundle. There is more effect include, and this is the cover. $20 in 1 product. See, this is the bonus file. You can totally free 30 piece of Photoshop brush and raw PNG, transparent PNG. This is our photo effect, and same effect, just another photo use, and see our long destination photo, the dispersion and sparking, HD quality, nice, everything is perfect, and a high quality template. You can edit the color very easily. See the color I have changing, and another color changing option, and another one. See, there is another, this is another template, another effect, and another motion. See, everything editable. You can edit everything, photo and background color, and the dispersion color or spark color. See the color variation. We have include more option. You can easily change the color, or you can move any of explosion, any of area. See, another one. Is so good. The color combination is so nice. Another one. Okay, but the others script are there. See, preview, like this one. This is the action, brush and apply the effect. Now look like this. You can very easily change the color, the cover. Okay, now show you the details. This script, there is another one include. See the color powder option, explosion, Photoshop action. This is include. See, is very nice. And another one include, like this one. Okay, you need to find out this folder. Download file is show this one, and check out the file. There is the help file include, and different video for this product. You need to read, watch this video and read help file. There is some instruction include. Another one, this is the brush, how to use the brush. You can watch this video. This is the brush format everywhere, and there is the PNG. Another effect. See, this is the cover include. This is script. You need to load this, and must be need to see the video. This product video is link there. See, watch the video. And another one, and check out the help file and apply it. See, new layer and brush apply. How to apply, there is an instruction include. And this is the template. So I have open any template in Photoshop, double click and it's open. There is the photo replacement option, how to replace photo there. You can move the photo directly there or double click this option. Now open a new window and there is an instruction, see, use transparent background photo. So how to use transparent photo very easily, I just show you now. And there is the on kind of photo I have. See this photo. If you use the update version of Photoshop, you can select the quick selection tool and then there is show select subject button. Then click there, your photo is now auto selection. See, now if need the custom something, you can custom selection, but this time I think no needed. Now marks, and I have moved it. Select the move button, background layer, our replace option, photo replace option there, and the transform option. See, okay. Now we can go there. If the position is fixed, make sure the position is this frame. Now we can save. Sorry. Okay, transform. Now we can save. Is saving my template, main template. Back to my template. See, uncheck the show transform. See, there is the very easily set up this photo. If you have this type of photo, then there is no need to custom. If not this type of photo, you need to custom manually, and I have introducing all layer now. So see, the template size is a very high quality size, or if you need to crop it, we have a direction, the crop size. See our border line, you can crop it for 200 pixel. See, very easily. Now I just undo just show you, and how to custom. This is the photo I have, and this is the top powder making. See the top powder, and you can find out the all layer there. And there is another dropping option. You can uncheck this one if you don't like to this. This is the adjust, and there is the color option. You can color changer one. You can change color very easily. Double click this option and change the color very easily. See, the color is very nice. And there is the other color format. If you use this one and do not need the photo color, like your portrait do not need any color, you can select the brush tool and sub brush default, select the max point, the white space, and brush the area. See, okay, some area the color, and again you can use the black and white option and others option. Okay, and if you want to make it PNG, select uncheck this background and uncheck this background. Now you can save the PNG very easily. export and export as a PNG transparent. Okay, that just select the PNG option and export it. Now I have used another type of photo and custom it very easily. Just show you, I have deleted this one. If I use like this one, now marks, move it my template photo replacement option and transform it. Save button. Now I have checked, see, there is the photo. Very nicely you can move a photo there, or if you think this is the fix, then this is the photo, you can move the place and there or there. See, select the max point, the photo one, and select max. You can make some brush for natural viewing purpose. See, if you want you can do this. Okay, this template is closed. Now I have show another one. This one for the middle point. This is the photo replacement option. Double click and open a new window, and you can use any photo. I have a lot of photo collection. Just need to this one first time, or you can use this one. Move it to your photo replacement option. See, okay, I think perfect. Now save, go back again and see the template. See, looking, you can custom this option there in the top making. See, and this is the photo. You can select the option. See, the removing photo option automatically. You can back it again, you can brush again. See, the top color is white, and this option marks this option. Change color very easily. Check out the color changing option. Double click and you can change the color very easily. Just uncheck and your old color is show. Our fixing color is show. There is the color changing option. Double click, you can change the color very easily. If need the photo color change, select, double click, deselection option, or you can use the brush top color. Okay, now deselect. Your photo is now good, and double click and change color. Photo not affected. You can apply another color and another color. That is totally depend on you. See the black option. Okay, it's not possible to see show over all photo template. I just show you these two, and all are there, and you can separate the help file include for action. You can watch this video there, paste. See, This is the another video you can see for this this product, and you can purchase some of our download some of our free product, the free option, our on-site photoshopaction.net. There is some free template.